Welcome to the channel, where we explore the inspiring journeys of everyday people who transform their dreams into reality. Today we dive into the story of Alex, a young artist who set out to create beautiful works of art, but soon found themselves caught in the struggle between self-doubt and their desire to succeed. Every artist has to face the challenges of uncertainty, the fear of failure, and the overwhelming pressure to be perfect. But what happens when the desire to create turns into a battle with self-doubt? Alex's story is a powerful reminder that the journey of an artist is filled with both triumphs and setbacks, and it's through those struggles that true growth happens. This is a story about resilience. It's about learning to embrace mistakes, to trust in the process, and to find success not in perfection, but in progress. So join us as we take you on Alex's journey from frustration to triumph and discover how failure can ultimately lead to the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Before we jump into Alex's journey, I want to take a moment to thank you for the incredible support on our last video, Lily's Journey from Fear to Freedom. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend checking out that motivational story. It's a powerful reminder of how courage can lead to true freedom. If you're ready to be inspired, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay with us as we dive into the heart of this incredible transformation. Every artist starts with a blank canvas, full of potential. But behind every great masterpiece, there are countless hours of trial and error, failures, and doubts. Meet Alex, a young artist who has yet to find their true creative voice. Alex had a dream of becoming a successful artist, but the path wasn't as easy as they had imagined. Every time they picked up their brush, it felt like the vision in their mind slipped further away. The colors didn't come together. The strokes didn't feel right. Nothing was turning out how they hoped.
Why can't I get this right? I've been practicing for weeks, but it still looks like a mess.
Doubt crept in, as it always did. It was hard to stay motivated when it felt like nothing was improving. Was Alex really cut out for this? Maybe they were just wasting their time.
Maybe I should just give up. Maybe this isn't meant for me.
Hey, I saw that you've been working hard. Don't let one bad painting get you down. Every artist has to fail a few times before they find their style.
But I've been failing over and over. I thought I'd be better by now. Maybe I'm just not good enough.
No one becomes great overnight. You just need to keep going. You've already made so much progress. You're not the same person who picked up their first brush. Success isn't about perfection. It's about growth.
Though Sarah's words helped, Alex's self-doubt still lingered. What they didn't realize was that they were still searching for perfection rather than embracing the process of growth. But the universe often has a way of guiding you when you need it the most.
I see you're working hard, but those sketches don't look like they're coming from the heart. What's on your mind?
I don't know. I just feel like I'm stuck. I can't seem to get my paintings right. I thought this would be easier.
I understand. When I started, I faced the same struggles. But here's the truth I wish I knew sooner. Failure is not something to fear. It's a part of the process. The more you fail, the more you learn. And that's when your true style will emerge. You need to be patient with yourself and trust that every mistake is a lesson.
I don't know if I can keep going. It just feels like nothing is ever good enough.
I promise you, you're closer to your breakthrough than you think. Just keep working, keep experimenting, trust the process. And remember, your art is about expressing yourself, not achieving perfection.
With renewed confidence, Alex dove back into their art, but this time with a different mindset. Instead of focusing on getting it right, they allowed themselves to make mistakes and learn from them. Every brush stroke became an opportunity to express their emotions and explore new techniques. Through dedication and patience, Alex's art transformed. The boldness, the confidence, and the unique style that had once seemed impossible were now on full display. Alex had found their voice as an artist, but more importantly, they had found resilience in the face of failure.
I did it. But the real victory was in not giving up. It wasn't about the final painting. It was about everything I learned along the way.
Success isn't measured by perfection, nor by the end result. True success is found in the process, the lessons, the growth, the persistence. Alex learned that failure wasn't the enemy. It was the teacher that guided them to where they needed to be. And the journey was far more valuable than the final masterpiece. What will you learn when you embrace your failures? The road to success is full of twists, turns, and lessons. Don't be afraid to keep going, no matter how many times you fall. Every step forward brings you closer to your true self. Moral of the story. The story's moral is that success is not about perfection, but about the journey. It emphasizes that failure is a natural and important part of the creative process, offering valuable lessons that help individuals grow. True success comes from embracing mistakes, learning from them, and persevering despite setbacks. The real achievement lies in resilience, patience, and the willingness to keep going, no matter how many times you fail. Difficult word from doubt to masterpiece. How failure became my teacher. Number 1. Terrifying, causing extreme fear or dread. It describes the overwhelming fear one feels when faced with a difficult or uncertain situation. Number 2. Crushing, to overwhelm with intense force or pressure, often emotionally. In this context, it describes the heavy burden of failure that weighs down on the protagonist. Number 3. Precarious, dangerously unstable or uncertain. Refers to the fragile nature of the bridge, symbolizing the uncertain path ahead in life. Number 4. Breakthrough. A significant and sudden development or achievement that marks a decisive change. It's used here to describe the moment of success that came after consistent effort. Number 5. Setback. A problem or difficulty that delays or hinders progress. Each setback Rohan faced was another challenge to overcome. Number 6. Resonate. To evoke a strong emotional response or connection. It's used here to convey how the story and the message can touch or inspire the audience deeply. Number 7. Perseverance. Continued effort to achieve something despite difficulties or delays. It's the quality that allows Rohan to keep moving forward despite obstacles. Thank you so much for watching video. If you enjoyed Alex's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational stories. Remember, the best is yet to come. Stay inspired and never stop believing in yourself.